To turn on Google Assistant on Realme GT7 Pro, first we need to open our settings. Then scroll all the way down, select Google, go for all services, then search Assistant and voice, then Google Assistant, scroll down again until you find default assistant from Google. Now make sure to select Google Assistant right here, and then you can activate the different features that call it out, like Hey Google. Hey Google. It works fine. And alternatively, if it doesn't work for you, you can try System and Update, System Navigation, and in buttons, activate Wake Digital Assistant with a Home button, and then you can call it out like this. But if your Google Assistant doesn't work at all, you can move to the apps, select Default Apps, and then Digital Assistant app. Make sure that the Google Assistant is selected right here, like I have it, and then it should work fine.